Why the fuck would you stop? Grand Canyon.
So first he got this car on the left coming over without a turn signal. He almost clips the car on the right, which also almost clipped the car in front. And then out of nowhere, you have this Nissan just decided to go full 360. Pretty accurate clip of Florida driving. Here, watch that again. I'm not sure exactly who took the video, but whoever took it, I found it on whatever website I found it on. Thank God for that, whoever took the video.
Блядь, да ты заебал, блядь, ты чё, ебанулась, блядь, что ли, блядь, сука, блядь. Директор, как Lexus North Miami, у него может быть как... Ну, блядь, ну ёб... Jesus Christ, can you not stop at the stop sign? The fuck is your problem driving so far over?